Do you usually throw away the crust of your bread? I used to, until I realized that the baking process produces the novel type of cancer-fighting antioxidants in bread that are 8 times more abundant in the crust than the crumb. But the mystery stands. How do I make my crust to be delicious? It's actually easy. You need half a packet of the soup, which will cost you R2.50. A slice of the crust costs you R1. This meal will cost you less than R4. Put in your soup into the cup. Half a sachet is around 3 tablespoons. Pour in hot water up to around 3/4 of the cup. Stir your soup very well before you add your crust. See, now it's nice and rich. You can use different types of soup. You can use beef soup, you can use vegetable soup, depending on what you love. Bring in your crust. Stir very well and let it soak for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our meal looks delicious. It's nice and rich. Let's taste it. Wow, it's very delicious. Please try it. I loved it, and I hope you will love the idea as well. Thank you.